New changes in commission and compensation structure. Homeowners and buyers. Now the National Association of Realtors' new rule on commission is in effect. How does that impact you if you're selling your home or purchasing? First, it's important to know that commission structure has always been a key part of the real estate transaction. Commission or compensation has always been negotiable. Often in the past, when a home was sold, the seller often paid the real estate commission. Oftentimes, when the fee was paid to the seller's agent, the agent representing the seller's agent will pay a portion of that compensation to the buyer's agent, the one representing the buyer. Now, with the new NRA ruling, based upon recommendations from the Department of Justice, sellers cannot offer compensation on the multiple listing service. However, they are still allowed to pay compensation or give concessions to a buyer or a buyer's agent. Now, understand, every state is handling this differently. There are over 600 MLSs. Different states, MLSs, and brokerages will have their own way of navigating and interpreting these changes. So what does all this mean? Hi, I'm Shawana Turner with Metro Development, and there's a lot to cover here on this topic, so let's break it down. First off, for sellers, these changes in commission could mean a shift in the financial dynamics of selling a home. With this new commission compensation structure, sellers may now find themselves negotiating commissions differently when hiring a listing agent. Now more than ever, it's going to be important to hire the right agent that stands apart from the competition and offers the best value for their compensation. Sellers will need to focus on agents who can provide not just a good rate, but also exceptional service, negotiations, and marketing expertise to ensure their home sells quickly with the most favorable terms for the seller. To ensure their home sells quickly with the most favorable terms for the seller, we are currently advising on the pros and cons of commission structure in each scenario, as they are all different. But we will be letting the sellers know that any compensation to a buyer or a buyer's agent will be coming directly from the seller, not from our brokerage. However, this does not mean that we do not encourage a seller to offer compensation to a buyer's agent. Now, for buyers, the new commission structure will also have a significant impact. More often than not, in the past, buyers haven't directly paid their agent to help them secure their dream home, as that fee was negotiable, but it often came from the seller. Now with the new ruling, buyers might need to factor in these costs to pay their agent commission for their services. This in turn could affect their overall budget for purchasing a home. Buyers need to know the importance of having a strong agent negotiating the wishes of the buyer regarding compensation. It is now more important than ever. With all these changes in compensation structure, it will be a new era of transparency and negotiation in the transaction between buyers, sellers, and agents. As always, now more than ever, you need an experienced agent on your side to help with the negotiation process and add value to your transaction. It's going to be more crucial as these changes are implemented. But remember, all things are negotiable between buyer and seller, and always has been. If you'd like more information on this new ruling, please reach out to my team and I. Let us help you navigate these changes as either a buyer or a seller in today's market. I'm Shawana Turner, and always remember that every day is a great day to buy and sell real estate.